Got to take the warning device to the fireworks show at the airport. I hope I don't screw it up. Douglas had already just arrived to Sodor Airport with the fireworks load. Oh no, where is Thomas? That cheeky bastard is going to screw it up again. I'm Jammy the Jet. I'll fly out and look for the little bloke. Hey Thomas, down below. The airport's to your left. Take a left at the next branch. Oh my, it's that trickster Jammy the Jet. He must be lying to me. I best go right at the next branch. I think I'm getting close now. Oh no! Ah! Oh no, not the wall! Thomas, no! I'll go get help! Don't worry, kids. Thomas was alright in the end.